Guess what, you guys? We have another Kimberbell event coming up, and I think this is the one that I am the most excited about. I am so excited about it that I scheduled it on my birthday. So I wanted to hang out with all of you guys and sew these adorable projects on my very special day. So it's going to be October 15th and 16th. It's at the event center, and it's called Home Sweet Haunted Home. And if you know me, you know that I love Halloween. I'm an October baby, so I love all that Halloween spooky stuff. So I'm very excited for this event. It's going to be in person, of course. It's at the event center, and it's going to be 2 days. So you're going to do 5 projects in those 2 days. It's going to be a cost of $179. We're going to provide the machines for you. It's going to be the Brother Stellaire. I'm very excited to use the Brother Stellaire. It is probably one of the most user-friendly machines, if not the most user-friendly machine that we have. And it makes your life a lot easier. Has a really large hoop size, and we're going to do some really fun projects that will use that really large hoop size. So if you'd like to join us, you can go on our website and sign up for it, or you can call any one of our 4 locations. And again, this is an in-person event. I am very, very excited to hang out with you guys. Love to see you there. Bye-bye.